Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie. If you're joining me today, so you're going to see a juicing video, green juice. And I'm practicing if I would ever start a YouTube channel. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, different people, and, there's a wide variety of people who make YouTube videos. Anyhow, so today's video is going to be, and I know like it takes a lot, especially since I don't know how to do the editing. I don't know, there's a lot that goes into it, or it can just be simple videos like this. Anywho, so I'm going to get into the juicing. It's actually not as complicated or as hard as people make it out to be, and if I can do it, anyone can do it, because you can ask my family. I'm not a chef, but I do enjoy like preparing the vegetables, like grating them, I guess, and getting them like prepared for the juice. There is something like nice about that. I don't know. So let me show you what I have here, and then I'll set the camera down and we will make the juice. So here we go. And yeah, so we've got 2 cucumbers, I think it's 3 carrots, I think it's 3 stalks of celery, it's just 1 apple, and then kale, and then the juicer, it's a Breville, it's the juice fountain. I think it was like $150 at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's not, I also have the NutriBullet, that's for making smoothies. And I know the lighting is odd. I had to turn off the really bright lighting, and I know I've worn this shirt in other videos, so yeah, I will try to wear a different shirt next time. Anywho, yeah, so let's get started on the juice. I know it's going to probably be loud, and like I said, since I haven't made one in a while, it might be kind of weird, but I'm going to sit you down and you can watch me make the juice, okay? I think you can see it. Okay, let's get started. So, and like I say, you want to make sure this is locked. This is the lock on the juicer. And then I'm trying, there's low and high. I think you do low for like the cucumbers. Let's give it a shot. And it's coming out here. One of my friends, Kathy, asked me, like, doesn't it give you diarrhea? And it really doesn't. Like, I don't know, like I said, I think if you, I drink it slow, and I don't know, like, it really doesn't, I don't know. And I don't know if it's because I'm fairly regular, I don't know, but it doesn't give me, I don't know, it doesn't, but then now that I say that, I'll probably get diarrhea from, I think at the beginning it gave me headaches or something, I don't know. So we'll see. Hopefully it'll be fine. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on high so we can get, yeah. I did rinse out the jars. So it'll make two, what this is, it'll make 2 jars of it. Let me get a drink of water. It'll make, move this stuff. Excuse me, I don't know, I'm all burpy today. The cucumber is the key. That's where you're getting a lot of your liquid from. That is on the counter. Wipe off the counter. Yeah, so let's see what we got. So this is what we have. It's kind of like I'll hold it up in the light. It's greenish orange because we put the orange in there. We put the carrot. Put the carrot in there. Let's make sure we're pouring this right. You can't even see me pouring it. We'll see how it tastes. Oh, it actually will make, I don't think I did as much as I usually. I'll probably drink all of this. I don't know, we'll see. Because usually it makes 2 completely full jars. This is about 1.5, which means I think usually I might do more celery. I think that, like I said, I was kind of, and I want to I'll make it again on Tuesday. Because, yeah, or tomorrow. We'll see. Probably, maybe, I don't know. We'll see how much I drink. But it's almost noon because I've just fiddle farted around. And I slept in till like 9, I don't know, 9 or something. So that should be good. Let's give it a drink. Let's give it a try. See what we think of it. And I've got it all, like, let's see. Not bad. It's another thing you can, if you want, I can definitely taste the apple because you definitely want something like sweet in there, sort of. No, it's a good mixture. It's a good like the cucumber, celery, carrot, apple, kale. Like there's nothing that's like too, and it doesn't have like a crazy weird taste because sometimes you can. Because I made sure I rinsed everything. Sometimes you can get like a crazy, like just like an off taste where you're like, what was off in that? So no, it's actually not. I'm sure other people put like lemon or ginger to make it, to kind of give it more of like a, it definitely tastes like vegetables. There's no way around it. It tastes like vegetables. And then I kind of, I think it would taste better cold. So what we're going to do is we're putting this one in the fridge. Hopefully my fridge doesn't look like a nightmare. We're putting that in the fridge because just to cold it up, and then like I said, I can probably get through. We'll see. I can probably get through 1.5. We'll see. Anywho, so I hope you enjoyed my juicing video, and I hope you have a happy 4th of July weekend, and other than that, I will try to make some more videos. I have some other like sit down talking like theme, maybe like on the law of attraction. Anywho, yeah, have a great day, and I'll enjoy my green juice. Okay, take care, see you, bye.